What are you doing? You need to come this side. Come out of there. Come out of there. Grimly. You need to go into... Oh no! What are you doing? What are you doing? We're going into the living room to sit. You're going to come sit on Mummy's lap. I'm leaving this area now. Come on. Come on, let's go the other one. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? Grimly. Grimly, we're going into the other room now, Sweet Pea. We're going into the other room now, Sweet Pea. Yeah, come on, in the other room. Come on. Why are you being difficult? Time to leave the conservatory. You might sulk, but that's just the way that it is. Come on. Come on, Sweet Pea. In the other room. In. What are you doing this for?
What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
Come on, let's go to the other room. Come on. Come, we're going to the living room. Grimly, hey, you're not eating a serviette. Are you eating a serviette? Can I have that back, please? Leave it. Leave it. Yeah, nobody would believe you're my well-trained dog, hey?